Hey everyone, how are you? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thank you very much for stopping by today. I will be reviewing money magnets. So if you are new at affiliate marketing, or if you're thinking about getting into affiliate marketing, this could be a great product for you, as it really goes into detail about all the different things that a newbie can really use and understand to get your base grounded, get a strong base. Okay, I've got demo access, so we're going to look at that. Plus, I've got lots of great bonuses as well, everyone. So please stick around till the end. You're not going to want to miss those bonuses. Let me just take you here now. Before I forget, this is being launched on August 1st at 9 o'clock, and it is being launched by Neller Fernandez. Okay, and if I just take you up here to my bonus page, my bonus is going to stay up for about 5 days, guys, as I'm writing this, so you've got lots of time. But let's learn a little bit more about what Money Magnets is and if it can help you out on your journey through affiliate marketing. So here is my Kieran's amazing bonus bundle that you don't want to miss. So these Money Magnets build passive income streams for us daily. So it's a complete affiliate training course from traffic generation to lead capture to generating income. Complete money-making system, 100% free traffic included inside. Make money quickly, no monthly fees or expenses, and you don't need any skills. And like I said, it is newbie friendly, guys. So let's take a look at some of my bonuses before we look at what it looks like. Okay, so my first bonus is the Access Backlink Warrior. This is given to me by my mentor, John O. Armstrong, as a way of saying thank you to you. And this is kind of a 2-in-1. This is also very good for newbies. It allows you to easily create funnels, landing pages, and ebooks, all right, very easily. So there's templates, and it kind of does it on autopilot. So this is a great app that you can create a lot of content, and you can either give it away as bonuses, or you can actually even upload it onto a variety of different websites like Kindle Publishing, and you can actually make money. So it's a great product that you can also create emails. Like I said, there's landing pages and funnels, so you're able to create your email list and also monetize and make money at the same time. But this is time sensitive. It's only going to be up for the first 24 hours, guys. So don't hesitate. If you want to get this, like I said, you can make money and increase your email list at the same time. Okay, learn how to get better conversions. So this is a multi-video tutorial on how, if you just follow along, how you will learn how to get better conversions. Okay, pretty straightforward. You can watch that yourself. How to explode your YouTube channel. So what this is going to do, it's going to get into things like keywords and autofill, and also just looking at other YouTubers that are in your niche, and you can see some of the people who have a lot of clout, who are doing very well. Study what they're doing, get ideas. For example, a video that they make that has gone viral. Why has it gone viral? Is it the heading? Is it the graphics? Is it the content? Is it the way that they're talking? You can get ideas. So this is going to show you a lot of ins and outs on how you can get your YouTube channel ranking higher. Okay. And another one, guys, get Boomerang Buddy. So this is a big time saver. So this is software that does the work for you. Well, actually, it gets other marketers to do the work for you. Okay, so something that may have taken you 2 or 3 hours can take minutes only. So it's a huge time saver. Okay, and the traffic is built in, and this is also newbie friendly. So these are all bonuses that if you're new to affiliate marketing, or you're kind of struggling, you've been doing it a while, you're not really getting the results you want, or if you're just considering getting into affiliate marketing, all of my bonuses that I'm presenting to you are going to be around the same education level, so newbie friendly. All right. And also there are vendor bonuses that we're going to look at in a minute, but I've got more bonuses that I'm giving you as well, guys. So this is the ultimate TikTok guide. So TikTok is the fastest growing social media app in the world at the moment, and a lot of people are watching this. A lot of people are making videos. A lot of people are making a lot of money. So this is going to show you everything you need to know about TikTok, from the very basics: how to set up an account, and then how to make engaging video content, how to edit it, gets into advertising and all the different kinds of things that you need to know about TikTok so you can start getting more traffic and promoting what you want to promote and your product and your brand on TikTok, and this is going to really help you out with that. My other bonus, guys, is top 5 email marketing tips. So this is exactly what it is, guys. You're going to learn 5 excellent email marketing tips. So with that other bonus that we looked at, the backlink warrior, you're able to create funnels and build up your email list and also create those books. This is also going to show you some great ways that you can build your email list as well. And finally, guys, oh, excuse me, I've got 2 more. High Ticket Pro. So this is going to teach you how to can sell high ticket items. So the more high ticket items you need that you sell, you don't need to sell as many as a lot of these smaller ones, right? So sell more, sell less, make more. Sounds like a good strategy. This is going to show you how you can do that. And finally, Jono's 3 best traffic sources. So I took these from Jono, he gave them to me, and as a way of saying thank you for using my link, I'm going to give these secrets of the 3 best traffic sources that Jono thinks. So a couple of these, at least one of these, you might not even consider, right? You might kind of just fly under the radar. So you'll see this and you'll get some ideas. Okay, so guys, if you just click on any of these buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page, and right here, okay, and then when you click on this button, it's going to take you to Warrior Plus, and then if you click on that blue button, it'll take you and you'll be able to get all of the bonuses that I have just laid out for you. So please get this sooner than later, because that backlink warrior is time sensitive, right? And let's take a look at what Money Magnets actually is. So here is the dashboard, guys. So here's an intro. This is just a video of Neller himself introducing himself, a little bit about his background, his journey through affiliate marketing. And then you can see all of the contents here are labeled on the left. So you've got the email, the money is in the list, the overview and niche, emailing software, money pages, landing pages. These are all videos that you can watch. Earning commissions, so it goes through the big 3 platforms that a lot of people do affiliate marketing with. You've got your Warrior Plus, your JVZoo, and your Clickbank. Traffic, free traffic 2, free buyer traffic, and quick pay traffic. It's going to walk you through that. We can just take a little look in these in a minute. I just want to show you all of the categories first. Okay, the bonuses. So he's got some bonuses, the exclusive promotion rights, free webinar, 10K in 22 days, and using my courses as lead magnets. Upgrades, done for you funnels in 3 niches, done for you funnels in 1 niche, licensing rights and coaching, and we've got some unannounced bonuses and support email. And then down here, you've got access to join the face group here, how to make a consistent $5,000 a month from home in 22 days here, and you can subscribe to the channel here. And once you finish, you can mark as complete and you can go to the next lesson. So each lesson obviously builds on itself, the knowledge that you're getting. So that's an intro. I don't need to really show you that. That's just him. You can look at that on your own time. Overview and niche, just going to break down a little bit about it here.
Okay, so let's look at it from a holistic point of view. So now what many people do, certain products from Amazon.
Right, so he's just talking about the philosophy of what you're trying to do here,
etc.
So
unless you have very targeted traffic, if you have
you
a very,
can get an idea
audience
in full details when you purchase it, because I think it's, let's take a look at the prices here, guys. But anyway, so you're going to get all this information, the traffic, the bonuses, the upgrades, the unannounced bonuses as well. All right, so let's go check out the price, and we'll take you to the sales page at the very end of it. So guys, we have the front end is $17, okay? And then you're going to get all of the bonuses that I'm providing and Neller's bonuses as well, which equal multi-thousand dollars in value. Okay, upsell number 1 at 67, number 2 at 37, number 3 at 197, and number 4 at 197. So let's look and see what these are. So of course the front end, I just showed you what you're going to get there. They access the powerful money magnets, software and training modules, as well as all the bonuses. Number 1, done for you, funnels in 3 niches at a downsell of 57, regular 67. Takes all the hard work out of it. You get all 3 niches for a bargain. Done for you funnels in 1 niche, 37 with a downsell of 27. Number 3, the licensing rights, so you can sell money magnets as your own product and take 100% of the commissions. And the coaching, so 1 month coaching to help you with everything in regards. So if you're a person that is a little bit intimidated maybe about software, or just feel like there's a little bit overwhelmed, one-on-one coaching is a great solution, is a great option for that. And of course, you're going to learn all of this stuff very, very well. If you have questions, you're going to be able to ask Neller, of course. So guys, here is just the summary. It's a complete business in a box, 100% free, easy to set up, no monthly fees, zero tech, and it is 100% newbie friendly. Let's take you over to the sales page. So again, we've got a sales video here. I will put that in my description. So when you can look at this again, if you want, the link will be in the description in my YouTube description box, okay? So a lot of this stuff we've already talked about. I want to take you through to see Neller's bonuses now. So here's some proof. Okay, we've got some testimonials here, so you can check this out on your own time as well. And I know these guys are good guys, trustworthy. So bonus number 1, exclusive promotion rights. So earn 50% commissions through the sales funnel. Bonus number 2, access to our webinar. And bonus number 3, using our courses as your lead magnets. And there is a 30-day guarantee, guys. So if you decide it is not really what you thought it was, doesn't live up to what it said it did, you have that option to get your money back as well. Okay, so all you got to do is click that button there. Takes you through, and you're going to get all of these awesome bonuses. His bonuses, my bonuses. Oprah Winfrey, you get a bonus. He gets a bonus. Everybody gets a bonus. Just joking. Okay, everyone. So that wraps up my review on money magnets. I hope you got some value from this. I hope you learned a little bit about it. So if you're, just to summarize, if you're new at affiliate marketing, or you're thinking about affiliate marketing, or you've been doing it a little while and you're just not really getting advanced, you're not really progressing, this could be a very viable option for you. But with my bonuses included, can be a very, very good viable option for you. Okay, so like I said, one of these is time sensitive. Don't delay if this is something you want. And if you can use my link, you're going to get all those extra bonuses as well. So guys, I want to thank you very much for your time. I hope you learned something. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Use my link, please. And I will see you very soon. This is Kieran Hogg with reviews, hacks, and tips. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.